Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable and affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap Fort Smith local and long distance movers near me. For a local move, the cost of local movers in Fort Smith, Arkansas is $30 to $45 per hour. When moving within the city, our professional movers charge based on the working hour. For long distance moving costs are determined by the old versus new location distance, moving volume, and services needed during the move. The cost of a long distance move is between $2,368 and $12,493 for moving a 4 to 5 bedroom apartment under 1,600 miles. Sometimes we may experience financial constraints due to one reason or another. This might force one to relocate to smaller and cheaper houses in order to save as much money as possible. In some extreme cases, a family can relocate to a different state where life is cheaper compared to the state where they were previously residing in. When such kind of a need arises, do not hesitate to contact 3 movers. Our movers in Fort Smith, Arkansas offer comprehensive and quality relocation services here in Fort Smith. At very low and affordable rates, we relocate our clients' goods to the specified locations, both locally and through a long-distance moving company. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Fort Smith moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. Long-distance moving is the transportation of goods from one state to another. This is usually a very long distance and takes a lot of time. This requires proper planning and a well-managed group to conduct the long-distance moving. 3 Movers is here in Fort Smith, offering long-distance moving services to all our customers at very affordable rates. With a good and well-skilled managerial team, our Fort Smith movers skillfully perform our tasks proficiently, giving our clients our very best. Local moving is the movement of goods from one point to another point within the same state or geographical area. This is quite easy and fast, as it involves short distances and takes a shorter time compared to long distance moving. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.